Length of a JavaScript object. I have a JavaScript object. Is there a built-in or accepted best practice way to get the length of this object? The most robust answer, that captures the intent of what you're trying to do while causing the fewest bugs, for older browsers would be for IE 9 Plus and all other modern ES5 Plus capable browsers, you can use object keys, so the above code just becomes size equals object keys, my object.length. This doesn't have to modify any existing prototype since object keys is now built in. Objects can have symbolic properties which cannot be returned via object key method, so the answer would be incomplete without mentioning them. Symbol type was added to the language to create unique identifiers for object properties. The main benefit of symbol type is prevention of overwrites. Object keys or object get own property names does not work for symbolic properties. To return them you need to use object get own property symbols. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.